Here I am explaining the about the complete website, Thauman International. Uh, First of all, I am opening the website. This is website link. We opening this. In this, this is the home page. Okay, home page layout, where the this is logo, home, about us, in about us, our mission and our vision. Okay, and contraction. Next categories, next automotive, next agriculture, horeca, others, in others web shops, telecom, fashion, education, partners, and last one is contact. And this is the call anytime tag of the phone number. Okay, when we scroll the home page, we find here home page banner, and about some other projects, clients. Okay, next is our company's descriptions. Okay, and next is new and used trucks and trailers. This is one is the our showcase, and this is the Horeca's about hotels equipments and everything. And here, so this is footer page. Okay, and we have updated the all content in the about us. If we open click about us page, then here find the about us banner and about us content. Okay, our team. So this is all I said. I manage the content, but if you want to change content, if you want to update the actual content, you can send me and I will update that. Okay, here all content I update, I will manage this online. And same, if we click on our mission, then here our missions contents. Okay, and images, like that. If we click our history, so here about our history, so you can send me the about your company history and your company careers, how you started, how it growth, and how it is old. Okay, everything you can send, I will update. Okay, uh, year wise I will explain about the company's growth, company startups, everything is here. Okay, next category is contraction. Here is smart build. We click on smart build. Here they must be smart build banners, and smart builds some highlights, and smart builds contents. I manage this online, I extract content this online. Okay, if you want to update anything, you can send me. Here the climates, here climates banner and about the all contents of climate, and this is the all categories of contraction. We smart build, climate, ventilation, isolation, windows. If you click on the on this page, if you direct want to go in the, like you want to go in windows, so direct you can switch here for the windows page, and you can see everything in the windows. Okay, so like this I all features and integrate the pages each others. Okay, here if you click on doors, then you can ban images and banner of doors and contents of, like same we designed the automotive categories, subcategories like new cars. Okay, also here the all categories of the subcategories of new cars, like new car, trucks, tires, battery component, accessories. And here also I completely manage this content. And like this battery, we click battery, we also find the all categories and batteries, images, and this. Okay, anyone want to call and inquiries, that he can, yeah, call and inquiry from this information. Okay, if you want to switch, like we want to switch accessories, then directly we can go on the accessories page. Okay, like we develop the our page like each other integrate, like we tractor machines, we design the some images and everything is on tractor parts. And this is the our some of specialization team, our companies who is working in this field in our company. And like we talk about the franchisee, so we also set the page like franchisee, you send me the all information about franchisee, I updated that. Okay, you can see here, like. Okay, this is. And like others, if we click on web shops, here the web shops, I also updated some features and services about the web shops. Okay, so this is all I have done. Education parts, we click on here. So if I think there is only, if anything is confusion and queries, or we that is on the content and images. Other things, okay. I tested the complete site, that is everything is working is properly. Okay, if anything, so you can send me the, and we will close this project and live and launch. Okay, then we will start the promotion part. We will start the how to we get the, this is the there are many big services. If we talk about the, this is the about 20 services about that. So we promote these all services, first of all in Amsterdam in Netherlands, and then according to you where you want to promote your this business and where you want to client, I will promote that. Okay, we design and planning to about the promotions parts of this. Okay, so first of all we update this and live the on domain, and then we'll start the promotion parts of this. And mobile application, if you want to, we will also start the mobile application part. Okay, this is one domain links with my site is complete. If anything's in design, color combination, if you want anything is changes, we will shortly done that. Okay, and that is okay. And this is also here we some all service like telecom we want to go to, we can go telecom. So this is all. Okay, thank you.